हेलो एवरीवन, आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ जो कि कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस का एक टॉपिक है, फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। जैसे ही मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा। और प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा, और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करें। तो चलिए आप शुरू करते हैं वीडियो के साथ। फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस। It means the basic requirements or the prerequisites in order to ensure that purpose of financial analysis is truly and successfully fulfilled. Fundamental principles of financial analysis: knowledge of accounting, objective of analysis, technique of analysis, rearrangement या regrouping of financial data, deciding the extent of analysis, consideration of internal and external environment, interpretation of findings, results, submission of report, reliability factor, time, context. Knowledge accounting. If the financial analysis want to develop the expertise in financial analysis, she has to develop the basic knowledge of accounting principles, concepts, conventions, accounting equations, mechanism, and the objectives of the preparation of basic accounts such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, etc. Next, we are going to talk about objectives of analysis. The analyst must be clear about the objective or purpose of his/her analysis. The analyst may itself be an investor or portfolio manager, making financial analysis on behalf of the company having its distinctive objectives. So, in each case, the analyst should know the specific objective of itself, the objectives of its clients or the objectives of its company, and make the analysis accordingly. Techniques of analysis. The analyst must select appropriate technique for the purpose of financial analysis depending on the objective of analysis, the type of data available, software support system available, analyst's own understanding of the technique, and more importantly, simplicity and popularity of techniques. Important techniques available are ratio analysis, cash flow and funds flow analysis, common size financial statements, trend analysis, cross-sectional analysis. If you want to know more about common size financial statements, I have a separate video on this. Please have a look on that. Rearrangement, regrouping of financial data. Financial analysis must rearrange the financial data according to the objective of analysis. For example, if the objective is to know the liquidity of the company, then important data to be taken from financial statements are current assets and current liabilities, and to be regrouped in the current ratio. Similarly, the objectives made to know about movement of flow of cash in the organization would require cash flow statement data from the financial statement. Deciding the extent of analysis. The analyst must have clarity about the extent of analysis of available data and analyze the data accordingly. In order to know overall problems in the organization, all the financial ratios are important to know. On the other hand, if problems are in liquidity, then current ratios, quick ratio, and cash ratio are important. The problems may be relating to solvency, then debt, equity, or leverage ratios are important. Consideration of internal and external environment. The analyst must be well acquainted with the internal and external factors, such type of competition, technology, business law governing the organization, attitude of supplier, lenders, consumer preferences, and internally the morale of employees, skills, professionalism, ethics, and culture of the organization. These factors help the analysis to make the analysis and interpretation of data more relevant and result oriented. Interpretation of findings and results. The analyst must interpret the results coming after analysis of data in order to make the analysis useful. For example, the ratio have been calculated by using various formula. Now result of these ratios need an interpretation or comparison in order to know the real problem and taking the remedial step. Submission of report. After the analysis of financial data and a proper interpretation, the analyst need to submit a concise report which is simple and easily understandable by the users, so that proper future course of action can be decided. Reliability factor. In the entire process of financial data analysis, its interpretation and finally submission of the report by the analyst, the reliability factor plays a very crucial role. The reliability factor means that the entire process of analysis and its final report is reliable and acceptable by the user. In order to create high reliability factor, the analyst must be professionally reputed. Analysis tools are reliable, the possibility of biasness should be minimum, and source of data should be original. Time context. The delayed final report or outdated data used in the report make the report unimportant for the users. The most updated are required for the analysis. The process of analysis and interpretation and final report must be speedy, keeping in mind the time context for users. Not only the historical data of financial are important, but equally important are the changed and the prevailing factors internal and external to the organization. Concluding remarks. Financial analysis is bound by certain principles. These principles are helpful for the fulfillment of objectives the users of financial data. Third, for the analysis, knowledge of accounting is required. Fourth, specific objectives, techniques, and extent of analysis are important. Fifth, financial statements, data needs rearrangement logically. Sixth, consideration of internal and external factor creates relevance. Seventh, in order to make the data useful, they need to be interpreted. Eighth, the entire analysis with its interpretation need to be submitted by the user. Ninth, time context and reliability must be considered in the process of financial data analysis. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting the updated with the videos.